CrossWay CY3636 machine for 3D aluminum engraving and processing. Design engraving files. Output engraving and processing. Part 2. Part 3. Part 4.
Now let us to see are this machine main features. Adopt iron machine bed, it is stable when the machine is working. Original Japanese 2.2 kW constant torque spindle, warranty 2 year. Based wearer channel system for protect the engraving tools. Contact us if you have any requirements.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.